Mark Chilero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely stunning 1956 Chevrolet Nomad Wagon. This is our first Nomad Wagon we've ever had. We're very proud of it. They're very rare to find, especially in original condition like this one is. It's been completely restored from top to bottom. The exterior is beautiful. It's got high quality paint, all restored interior. Engine compartment's highly detailed. The undercarriage is detailed. It's a multiple award winner, just a great car. We've completely serviced it from top to bottom. For a complete description with tons of photos, check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Let you listen to how beautiful it runs. Absolutely purrs like a kitten.